from a state policy perspective and landscape, I mean, what have you seen as some of the, you gave us a lot of examples. I'm trying to, get a little bit at those states that have been most successful. I think on the one hand, it is about money, but I think it transcends, it goes beyond the financial to the, this is really important to us. Are there some examples that come to mind for you all about the real integration of that family and community engagement work leading to improved success and having a real impact on students?
I think so. We've got a lot of great examples of places where you really see things work. First of all, leadership matters. That the leadership from chiefs saying this matters, let's make it happen, gave the directive to staff to come and join and be a part of the, this process and the conversation and building. A couple states come to mind that have just had this longevity in the work and have been able to be successful, not just in thinking about family and community engagement intentionally, but really building it into the fabric of all the efforts that they're doing and carrying out throughout the state. Colorado has just been stellar, and you see a number of contributing factors there. One of them is a piece of legislation that very clearly sets apart dollars for the work to happen, staffing to direct and guide the work, director level staffing, and a very clear charge that says this work is about our educator preparation work. This is about our reading and literacy and math efforts. This is about how we think about all the things that matter to the state. The other place where you see a lot of that is Kansas. That is just such a phenomenal story, because when parent information resource centers were defunded, the state chose to carry on the funding at the state level. And that is a massive take. I think that's the only state where the state preserved their federally funded parent information resource center, and they've gone on to address family engagement within their principal observations, within their school accreditation system, within their they have student individualized plans for high schoolers, and families are a key component in that planning. Sometimes we think of family engagement as being early childhood. It isn't. It continues. It just changes and evolves. And Kansas is a great example of that.